Well, yes, here at UC Medical Center, I got yeses to two questions. Yes, doctors need to rethink what they're prescribing, and yes, it's already being done. The 80-plus overdoses this week here in Cincinnati and Hamilton County made national news. Most healthcare professionals agree that a large part of the problem started with the overprescribing of opioids for pain.
Physicians used to say, oh, it's an acute problem, it's no big deal, I'll just write them enough.
Dr. Nancy Elder is right in the midst of UC Health's efforts to retrain doctors to write fewer prescriptions for opioids.
I think a big problem is what in our healthcare system is covered by insurance. Okay, what's the easiest thing to cover by insurance? A prescription. Okay, what do patients want when they go to the doctor? A prescription. So we have to change not only doctors' minds, hey, it's easier just to write a script and get them out of here, we also have to change patients' minds.
So in fact, during the last several years, there has been a shift to fewer prescriptions for opioids for pain. And pharmacists like Mimi Hart at Hart's Pharmacy in Price Hill are seeing the results.
We see, especially like the emergency rooms, are writing for fewer quantities instead where in the past they would write for 20 or 30. They're writing for 6 or 8 or 12 till the patient can get through the acute period and go see their family physician.
But this ultimately can lead to problems between docs and their patients who are demanding the drugs and who subsequently aren't getting them.
Patients have this sense that narcotics, opioids, they're the best. Therefore, anything else is you're not giving me the best, doctor. So we need to do a mind switch both among our physicians, which I think is happening and has been happening for 10 years, but also among our patients.
And we are in a recalibration of what doctors are prescribing, though it is a messy process, but everyone I spoke to today said we're not going back. Jay Warren, 9 on your side, Coreyville.
Well, that recalibration